Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to draw an easy house using the ruler for beginners. Let's start. First we are going to draw a line. The line should be 13 centimeters long. Next, let's draw the walls. Each wall should be 10 centimeters. I'll do the same on this side. Now let's connect it. Now let's draw the roof. Each side should be about 9 centimeters. The roof's top should be in the middle of this rectangle. Now we are going to draw the door. The door's height should be 4 centimeters. We'll do the same on this side. Now I'm going to connect the lines. I'll draw the doorknob now. Now let's draw the windows. Each side is 3 centimeters. Now I'm done with one window. I'll do my next one. Now draw a plus inside the window. I'll do the same on the other window. Now make a circle inside the roof. Now we finished making a very easy home using the ruler. Now let's start to color. Color the circle yellow. Now let's color the windows yellow. Next, let's color the door brown. Now let's color the doorknob yellow. Next, color the remaining part of the house blue. Now we finished the coloring. Let's start to do the outline in black marker. Now we finished doing the outline. This video will be very helpful for beginners to draw using the ruler. If it was helpful, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and remember to like, share and subscribe.